Hello, my name is Nick. This is my workshop. Today I'm going to show you some yoga for woodworkers, trades, carpenters, anyone. But I'm going to show you that you can do it right here in a workshop. You don't need a yoga outfit. You don't need little short shorts. You don't even need to take your boots off. I got a moving blanket here. I'm going to put my hands on, but really you could just do it on the ground. You just put some gloves on. Okay, so I'm going to go this way so you can see. We'll get right into it. The first thing you understand about yoga is probably the most important part is controlling your breath. So let's do a couple breaths to start. Actually, we'll just get going, and I'm going to describe to you your breath. This is going to be a very quick beginner workout, so anyone can do it. It's like a relaxing flow. It'll decrease your stress. If you just messed up a cut on an expensive piece of wood, do this. It'll calm you right down. So inhale and breathe up. Then bring your hands down and exhale. And then interlace your fingers and squeeze your arms out. Now inhale. Exhale. And go all the way down. Doesn't matter if you can't touch your toes. You can flex a little bit and keep that breath going. Deep inhales, long, slow, deep exhales. Let's go back up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, reach up and back, exhale, all the way down. Now you're going to walk your hands out, and you're going to end up like this, downward dog. And I'm not even worried about what the positions are actually called. I don't need to memorize any names. So in this, you want to push your shoulders back towards your knees so that your tailbone is pointing right up. Try to get it as high as you can. The other thing with yoga, don't forget your breath, is that you don't want to push. A lot of men, especially competitive, and they say, oh, I'll push really hard and I'll get a better stretch and then I'll feel better. And that's not the case. You don't have to go 110%. Try going 90% or 80%. We're going to go here into a plank position. Make sure your arms are straight so your shoulders are over your hands. And then come down. And then let your knees go to the ground. Arch your back up. I like to twist. Gives your spine a little twist. You wring it out. Okay, and now back up, downward dog. And walk your hands back out. Let your hands hang. Exhale. Inhale, go halfway up. Exhale. And we're going to do the same thing. So, plank, down. Let your knees hit the ground. And you're letting your heart, your chest area is pushing forwards and up. This is great for your spine, especially if you've been sitting at the computer working on quotes, maybe some shop drawings, and you're hunched over. Okay, now we're going to go back to all fours. Maybe you heard this, it's cat-cow. So you inhale and arch your back. So pretend there's a balloon here, and when you inhale, you suck the air out of it so your stomach caves in. And then you exhale, you fill up that balloon, and it pushes your back into an arch. Inhale, exhale. Okay, now we're going to go back to the downward dog. Right, your hands shoulder width apart. We're not pushing super hard, but we're making sure we're in the right posture. Now take your right leg and step it through. And we're in a lunge. Now your hands go up and you inhale, exhale. And you're looking this way. Now, watch carefully. We're going to inhale. Your right arm is going to swing up. Both your hands go up. And now exhale. And now we're facing the other way. Now inhale. Reach over. Exhale. Reach your right arm back. And you're leaning back. Now, go right back down. Put your hands down. Put your right foot back. Left foot forward. Inhale. Now you're in that lunge again with your hands up. You exhale, you're twisting to the left. Now inhale, both your hands go up and you face to the right. Exhale. Your arms are out straight on both sides in front of you, and you're looking ahead, you're looking past your middle finger. Make sure your spine is straight. Inhale, reach overhead, put your arm on your knee, then go backwards. Now you rotate the arms back down so your hands are down, your foot goes back, we go back to the ground. Big inhale, you're looking up. Exhale, you're in downward dog. Walk your hands back, reach up again. That's it, but we're going to do one bonus move, okay? Put your arms wider, your legs wider than usual. This is where your pants might rip. But that's fine, because this is a really good stretch too. So your elbows go inside of your knees. You're a little wider than hip distance. Your feet are pointed out. And then you can push your hands together like this. And you can wiggle it around a little bit. Gives you a great stretch. Okay, and that's it. That's the first episode of Shop Yoga. It was pretty quick. You can do that anytime. You can do it anywhere. You don't need any special equipment, nothing. Hope you enjoyed. My name is Nick. You can follow along. If people like these, leave a comment. We'll do some more Shop Yoga. Thanks for watching.